This is Rimini House by Stanza Living. Located in the posh vicinity of Bangalore, whether it's travel, work, or fun, it all comes easy. Tech parks like Brookfield and the RMZ Eco Space are right around the corner. Feel like working out of a cafe? Your nearest CCD offers you workstations to work from. And if you're in a mood for a movie, PVR Central Spirit Mall is just across the street as well. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our 24/7 security system, best believe that you're in safe hands. As you make an entrance, find yourself in the deemed presence of our resident captains. Before we take the elevator and make our way past the water station, and here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste, and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. A super comfortable bed for a relaxed slumber. A study corner for you to find focus and get working. And when you're done working, you have a coffee couch right by your side for you to lounge on and watch TV. And a spacious cupboard for all your storage needs. You also have an attached bathroom that's kept fresh at all times. So be rest assured and have a chill stay without having to worry about anything else. Now as we further head upstairs, we reach the terrace. A high-speed Wi-Fi zone so that you can enjoy your favorite shows or movies. And what's cooking, you ask? While all your meals are on us, our kitchen comes bearing all your wishes as well. Here, you're greeted with an enormous dining area with an in-house pantry that's fully equipped with a microwave, toaster, hot plate, and our in-house tea machine. Cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. Done with your meal? Hang back and relax at this hangout corner right up on the terrace. Take in the good view while you sip on that soothing cup of coffee. Hang out with your friends or make some new ones. Indulge in a game of carom or foosball and make the most of your time. This place is bound to be your favorite for sure. We know we have convinced you. So come, live that stanza life. Rimini House is waiting for you.